Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a lot of fun and exciting new items at Dollar Tree, so make sure you stay tuned. Give this video a big thumbs up and I'd love it if you would subscribe to my channel. So I was in the Dollar Tree the other day looking for just some candy to fill some eggs for some Easter parties, Easter events. And I had no idea that I was going to get a ton of stuff, but I was so excited that my Dollar Tree had put out a ton of new things. So I went ahead and stocked up on a bunch of stuff because if I don't get it the day that I see it, then it is definitely gone the next time that I go back to get more. But they had some really neat items that I will be able to use in some DIYs. I have several DIYs that are going up next week, so make sure you are subscribed with your notification bell on. You don't want to miss these. I'm so excited. There are some really good ones coming up. So the first thing that I got were these shadow box frames. They're these little picture shadow boxes and they have a clip in there behind the glass. So you can see they're 3D, but it holds this little picture and you clip it, it falls out. But I thought this would be so fun to make something out of. This is such a cute little item, even if you just want to dress this up as it is, add like a little burlap bow or something to it. But I thought these were really cute and really nice, and they seem like they are really good quality. I went ahead and picked up 3 of these just in case I wanted to make a larger piece, or I might just set these around individual. I'm not sure yet. But I haven't seen these in my Dollar Tree, so as far as I know, I think they are new. But the stripes are cute, they're just not really my style, so I might cover the back with like a piece of burlap or maybe some faux wood paper. But I did get 3 of these, so I am excited to see how I use those. So the next thing that I found, I was so excited I went ahead and grabbed 3 of these. I have kind of one idea for one of them, but as far as the other ones, I got 3 of them. But they are these little chalkboards with the jute string already on there, as well as the clothespins, and it holds up 2 photos on this string. But I have never seen anything like this large, like an actual decor piece from Dollar Tree before. It is made really cheap, like the backing is cardboard so it will bend, but if you hang this on your wall you won't notice. But I thought these would be really fun to try to do something with. I'm not sure, but I did want to show you all these because these will sell out super fast. I did, like I say, go ahead and grab 3 of them. Just thought that they were a really neat product to come from Dollar Tree. Something else that was new to my Dollar Tree were these little blocks. They're like the faux wood blocks, but this one says, it's the little things in life. I'm not crazy about all the glitter on there, so I probably will be sanding this down and making some version of my own, so stay tuned for that. But I thought these were really neat. I love the little cutout heart on the top. And then this one, it just has the little rounded top and it says, "Our nest is best." But I think these could easily be transformed into something really cute and something farmhouse. I saw these used in a couple of DIYs and I had never found them at my Dollar Tree. So I did just go ahead and grab one. It does say "Welcome Spring," and I probably won't do too much more decor that says the word spring on it just because it will not be too long until we transition into summer. But I did go ahead and grab a couple different banners. This one's really pretty. It's got the fake burlap look to it on the back. I don't know how you could really DIY this. You could definitely cut out the letters and use those for something else. But as far as this rose pattern, it is really pretty. It just doesn't match a lot of my home decor. But I did think this was a pretty little sign, especially to get the letters off of there. So something else that I picked up, I don't know if these come apart. I really hope they do because I want that front little glass piece. And they do have this little cardboard backing that makes this a shadow box. It's got a pretty little print on the back. So I really do hope that they come apart. But this one says, "You got this." I think this would be so cute in the office, like setting on your desk. This is like a little motivational quote. And then this one says, "Enjoy the little things." And I think this would be so cute if maybe the frame was painted as well as like had a different background. So I'm going to try to pull these apart. I haven't even taken it out of its plastic yet, so I will see how easily these come apart and hopefully get to share that with you all. But I thought these were really neat to try to make something out of as well. The next thing that I picked up was one of these mirrors. I know a while back that they had a Halloween mirror that everyone was trying to scrub the skeleton off of that round mirror that looked like this. But I thought this was really neat, and it kind of has shabby chic vibes if you wanted to paint it white or even like a pink or teal for your spring decor. This would be super cute for that. I have no idea if I will be able to use this. I know it is something super simple and plain, but I picked up this wooden little heart frame just for $1. I thought surely I could use this as something. It's just a photo frame. It comes with a little a little stick so it will set up on a shelf, and then you can pop out the center to add a photo in there. But I thought this was really neat. This was in like the kids crafting section, but I think that I could make this surely turn into something and maybe even still get to add a photo of my own. So I'm not sure. I want to try to get creative with this. The next thing that I got was this little faux wood sign. It's one of those little 3D box signs, and it has a little pineapple on there. I'm not really into the pineapples. I think they're super cute on like little tote bags and summer items, but as far as home decor pieces, it doesn't really go with my style. But I thought if there was a way that you could remove this, it probably will rip the back of this. But it's just this really pretty white faux wood that says welcome family and friends. So if I could find a way to remove the pineapple or find something that I could hot glue over the center of that, this would make a really cute little piece to set up on a shelf or a table and be very easy to transform it into farmhouse decor. Let me know in the comments below, do you set items like this around your house, or do you always DIY them and replace the thing that you don't like on there? So I'd love to know, so let me know down in the comments. Also, if you know of anything really exciting new that your Dollar Tree has that you think I would be interested in. It was so fun the last time that I did share my Dollar Tree haul. A lot of you all in the comments told me about some new items that you had been seeing. So I actually got to get online and look for those items. Some of them I couldn't get them online, so I did get to watch in the store. But even some of these items were things that you all had told me about the last time. So let me know in the comments below if there's anything like the last time somebody told me about the larger wooden die cuts, like the cut out flowers and ladybugs and stuff like that. So I did get to see some of those, as well as the bamboo cutting boards that everybody is DIYing right now. So I don't have those at my 2 Dollar Trees that are closest to me. I have looked there, but I haven't been lucky at getting any of those yet, but I will keep an eye out on those. This is something that I have had on my channel before. It's upside down, but these little banners, I don't know what they're called, but I thought this was really cute. It says strong is the new pretty, and it's got the 2 little wood things at the top and the bottom, kind of like a scroll, I guess. Maybe that's what it's called. And I did do a Christmas one that turned out so cute, so I thought it would be fun to try to make one for summer or just for everyday farmhouse decor. They also had that in different designs, so I got this one that says wild and free. I do like the little floral pattern on the bottom. I thought that that was really pretty. That kind of looks like a succulent and kind of goes with a lot of the succulents that everybody is using right now. So I thought that was really pretty. It almost kind of reminds me of like a watercolor painting, so I love that. I think that's really cute. The next thing that I found were these 3 little signs, these little succulent signs that sit around, and they all 3 have like succulents and cactuses, but they all say different things, and the top is different. This one says good vibes only. I thought that that one was really cute. This one says thankful and grateful, and they all are super pretty. I'm gonna have to set one of these around. This says plant a garden and watch it grow. So cute, but I just think things like this is so fun, and even though they are already cute, I got 3 of them so I can keep one as is and still try to DIY on some of this. My Dollar Tree has been getting a ton of wall decor in these little frames. This one says eat. I think I've seen this one a while back and I passed on it. They had a ton of new ones, so I just went ahead and grabbed this one. I'm not sure what I'll do with it yet. I did buy another one of these frames that had a different pattern on there, and that will be in my next DIY, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But it is so cute. I'm so excited how it turned out. I took it out of one of these pictures like this and turned it into a really pretty wall piece. So I am excited for y'all to see that. That should go live maybe Monday or Tuesday. I just got finished filming that, so it should be up the 1st of next week. But I am excited. Stay tuned because it's so pretty. My Dollar Tree had a ton of new little jars, and they actually had the full-size jars with these lids, I guess, for you to put like tea lights in. But this little one says homemade, and I just thought it was really cute, and I don't know what I'll do with it. I don't know if you could do much of a DIY with this other than maybe setting it on a shelf and putting like a plant in it or a candle, but I do want to try to incorporate this into one of my videos. The next thing that I got was one of these square signs. I don't have many of the smaller signs. I've been using like the larger Easter signs. So this one just says keep life simple. I really like the little garland around it, but let's be honest. I'll probably just be painting something on the back of this. But yeah, it's cute. I like to go ahead and get cute ones because if I don't use them, then my little girls can just hang this up in their room or on their door or something for a few days. The next thing that I got was just for fun. I definitely don't think that I can use this in a DIY, but it's this little paperweight or desk trinket. But I just thought it was so fun. It says love begins with you, and it's got all these little hearts glitter in there, and it's like full of water, so they just float around, and you could play with this or set it in your office or on your desk. But my girls have already had so much fun playing with this, and let's be honest, whenever I'm sitting around editing, I always have to fidget with something, so I thought that this was really cute just sitting in there on the desk. I also picked up a couple of these little trinket pots is what they're called, but they're just this little blue pots. If you took a Dollar Tree succulent and put it in there, I feel like it would just like make it look so much more like TJ Maxx vibes or Home Good vibes versus looking like those little cheap little white Dollar Tree pots. But I thought this was so pretty, and this is like nice quality, so I might put me a succulent in a couple of these and set them around, especially if you had like some tiered trays or something like that. I think these would be really cute. I remember seeing these last year. I actually made that little decor piece that had 3 and the little lantern hung from the bottom. But you could do a ton of things with this. And actually this is like faux wood back there, and it says together we have it all, so it is really cute. I don't like the background that is in the very back, so you could just replace that and then hot glue that back on there. But these are cute. I'm not really liking this one. It says mind open 24/7, so I probably will for sure redo this or turn it into a DIY. But I thought these were really neat, so if you have anything that you want to make out of these, my Dollar Tree had a ton of these, so I would keep an eye out at your Dollar Tree. And just because I have been using them like crazy, I picked up some more poster stickers. I love these. I've been making DIYs. You can paint your stickers and put them on projects. You can put these on your projects, paint over the stickers, and then remove them. I have been using these a ton in DIYs, and I'm so excited that Dollar Tree did get a bunch of these in, and these are just a couple of the options that they had. Mine has like 3 more options than this, but I think that they look really nice, and I love that they have different fonts. So I will be using these a ton more. Stay tuned for that, because I'm sure I will be using a ton more of these. And then the last thing that I picked up, I already have some of these, but I didn't have the longer ones like this. I had the little stubby ones, and then these are just wood stems, and these would be really cute for some little DIY projects. I'm not 100% sure what I will do with these yet. I think I have 3 bags of these now, and I want to use them so bad, but I really don't know how. So if you have any suggestions, leave them down below. So that is everything that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I really hope you enjoyed seeing what I got, and I wanted to hurry up and get this out here as fast as possible so that you could get to your Dollar Tree and try to look for these items. I hate it so bad. It seems like everybody struggles to find something that they want at the Dollar Tree, so I just wish so bad that we could all get the same items. But I guess that makes it fun too, that we all can make different DIYs and try to get creative to make our own items. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any DIYs coming up. Thank you all so much for watching, and happy crafting. Bye!